Hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Amar. Welcome to my channel Think IT Learn Technology. Today we will learn how to create an Office 365 tenant using trial account. All right. Before we start, let me tell you what is Office 365. So Office 365 refers to a subscription plan that includes access to Office applications plus other productivity services that are enabled over the internet. So, what are these applications? It could be anything. It could be Microsoft Teams, it could be Exchange Online, it could be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, it could be SharePoint. So, what will happen? License to these applications and services are assigned and managed through Admin Center. All right. So before wasting any time, what we will do, we will start creating an Office 365 trial account. All right. So yeah, let's just start. Okay. Uh, so what we will do, we will just open any of the browsers that are using. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, it could be anything. All right. So you just have to type Office 365 trial account. All right. And then there's a link which says signup.microsoft.com. Just have to click on this. It will open a page. And thanks for choosing Office 365 E3. E3 is a type of a license. What will happen? You will be able to create a free trial account, which will be enabled for 30 days. You can use 25 licenses. All of the licenses will be of E3 type. What all will be included in E3 license. So here are the products. All of these products will be there, but these are all enabled for 30 days only. After that, you have to pay per license, right? So there should be a valid email address that you'll use, right? So yeah, let's just I'll type in my email ID, click next. Okay. So set up an account. Here it will say enter your name. Let me type my name. Right, you will type yours. Business phone number. This is important. This is this should be a valid phone number because you will receive an OTP and everything, one-time password or anything on this mobile number and on an email. Company name, it could be anything. Let's just use 365 training. All right. Size of the company, it depends on you. Let's start with 2 to 4 people. Country, this is very important. If there is any geographical filtering and if there is a licensing price, it is purely on the basis of a country. All right. So please choose your country wisely. And if okay, your country has been decided, just click next. All right, send a verification code. So yeah, I will receive a code in a while. Give me a moment. Okay, yeah, I got it. It's 812700. All right, I'll just verify. All right, so it's done. Next is create your business identity. All right, so this will be your tenant name. All right, so this will be your first global administrator. That will be your tenant name. It should be the name of your organization, right? It could be like 365 training we have used. We'll use the same name. Let's just check the availability. Oh, it's not required. It's not available. Let's try a different name. 365 training uh, trial. Check availability. Oh, it's not available. Let's try something else. Let's try O365 training. Ah, O365 testing. No, 365 testing. No, MS Training 365. Yay, we won. Okay, the name of your business, this is very important. So it could be the name of your domain as well. All right. So for example, your domain is google.com. It could be google.onmicrosoft.com. It could be anything. If it's Microsoft, you can use microsoft.onmicrosoft.com. Then you can click next. Okay, this will be your first account, which will act as a global administrator as well. What is global admin? We will define it in a separate video. Password, it could be anything. It's on you. Let me just create a simple one. All right, I'll see. I don't want to receive any of these. I don't want to receive any of these. I just want to save this because I'm not sure whether I'll be able to remember this or not. So let me just do this. I will keep pasted over here. All right, I will click sign up. Let's just wait and let's see what will happen. Will there be any errors or anything? I wish I don't want to receive any errors. So yeah, let's just see. Let's just wait. Okay, come on. All right. Yeah, it's doing it. Good job. All right, so my user ID is already created. Okay, I'll copy this. Let's go. We'll click over here, and you'll see that it will open an Office 365 account for you. Okay, so portal.office.com. So this is your admin center. Your trial account has been created. Thank you for choosing Microsoft. Blah blah blah. Okay, got it. Let's just finish things up. We have to wait. Okay, I'm waiting. All right. Install Office. I don't want to do that. Okay. If you have to download an Office applications like Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, you just click here and it will be downloaded on your desktop. You have to sign in onto that application using your account. It could be anything. For example, I'm using right now administrator at MS Training 365 on Microsoft.com. I can use this one. All right. So I'll click continue. I don't want to download this right now. Uh, Domain. How do we add a domain? How do we set up a domain? I'll show you I'll show you this in a different video. Just subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. You will get a notification when I'll show you this. All right. So for now, I don't want to do this. Okay, use this. Click next. If you have a list of users that you want to add at first, you can do that. I don't want to do this for now. Let's just do this later. All right. If you have any domain that you want to connect with this, I don't want to do this right now. I'll show you all of this in a different video if this is required. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. If you want to do, no. Go to admin center directly. Okay. So this is your Office 365 admin center. You have all the admin centers over here. You have to manage anything. You can do it from here. So this is your home. If you want to add users, if you want to do anything, you can do it from here. All right. Let's just do one thing. I'll sign out from here. I will keep this copied. Give me a moment. Open up. All right. Okay. Let's just copy this and I want to keep it over here. Okay. Click over here and I want to sign out of this. Okay. I have signed out from here. Let's just open a cognitive window. And I want to open portal.office365.com or it could be portal.office.com. All right. Enter the sign in name, the tenant name that you have created. Click next. Enter the password that you have created at the time of sign up. I don't want to receive this notification. Click no, and yeah, you will you'll see that you have your trial account has been created. You are able to log in. This is your admin center. Click over here. All right, so admin center has been loaded. These are all the options that you have over there. Next, what we will learn in the next video, how to add domain. We will purchase a domain from a website and we will try to add that domain over here. To get a notification of that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I will launch a new video very soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.